Hey there! If you're anything like me, then your drawer is probably just as cluttered and messy as mine. Like, every time I need to find a screwdriver, I have to. I give up, bro. But then the question arises, what should I do about it? Oh, yeah, I totally forgot about that. So, back when I designed this, I meant for this to be a camera battery holder. But the camera batteries fit perfectly. A little too perfectly. So perfectly, in fact, that I couldn't get them out. So I reused it as a blade holder. Get it? Cause like it doesn't fit. But you know what fixes everything? Sandpaper.
A few moments later.
So lately, I've gotten myself a deburring tool. Now, you may ask, what is a deburring tool? Well, to put it simply, it dees your burrs or something like that. But really, if you have a print with sharp edges like this box I'm holding, then you could just use the deburring tool, and it's basically a knife but rounded off at the top, so it just smoothens out the edges. And I've got to tell you, it's such a game changer. And yes, I've got this on the recommendation of a lot of YouTubers. Now, most of these deburring tools which you can order online come without a case or a box. So, yeah, I think you know where I'm going with this. After that, I decided to make an SD and micro SD card holder. Now, you probably noticed all of this empty space in my drawer. And if you're wondering how I'm going to fill it, well, so am I. You see, when I first started making this video, I had simply watched a video of Scott Ujan pulling off the same thing. But the problem I'm facing is I don't have enough tools which are worth keeping in my drawer. My camera, for example, I could keep it in my drawer, but I already have a camera bag for it, so there's no point of keeping this in my drawer. And this goes for many other tools I have. And I don't want to use so much filament doing something that I could do using something else more efficiently. But that something else is going to take quite a lot of time to make. You can leave your guesses on what that something else is going to be in the comments down below. But till the next video, goodbye and thanks for watching.